Azure Synapse Client Library is a powerful tool that enables developers to interact with Azure Synapse Analytics from their applications. In this tutorial, we will explore why using Azure Synapse Client Library is beneficial for your organization. Firstly, Azure Synapse Client Library allows for seamless integration with Azure Synapse Analytics, which is a cloud-based enterprise data warehouse that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. By using the client library, you can create and manage data pipelines, data lakes, and data warehouses in a programmatic way. One of the key benefits of using Azure Synapse Client Library is that it provides a simple and consistent way to interact with Azure Synapse Analytics. The library provides a set of APIs that allow you to perform various operations such as creating and managing databases, tables, and views, as well as executing queries and stored procedures. Another benefit of using Azure Synapse Client Library is that it supports multiple programming languages including Python, Java, and C#. This means that you can use the library from your preferred programming language and integrate it with your existing applications. In terms of practical examples, the Azure Synapse Client Library can be used to automate data pipelines and workflows. For instance, you can use the library to create a pipeline that ingests data from various sources, transforms the data, and loads it into a data warehouse for analysis. Best practices for using Azure Synapse Client Library include handling errors and exceptions properly and implementing logging and monitoring to track the performance of your applications. It is also important to follow security best practices such as authenticating and authorizing users and encrypting data in transit. In conclusion, using Azure Synapse Client Library provides a simple and consistent way to interact with Azure Synapse Analytics and automate data pipelines and workflows. By following best practices and using the library from your preferred programming language, you can unlock the full potential of Azure Synapse Analytics and drive business insights and decision making.